Hi guys, this is Nina from Nini Drawer Fernandez Family Vlog. So please subscribe to my channel and like my videos and hit the notification bell for maging updated kayo sa aking mga vlogs. And now I'm gonna teach you how I made this backdraft, a birthday backdraft for my son who celebrated his birthday on last September 19. So it looks like so pretty it looks like a tarpaulin. But honestly, lahat yan do it yourself, DIY. Kasi, hindi ko gusto magpa-tarpaulin. Since maliit lang naman yung space, so ako na lang ang gumawa ng kanyang backdraft. So, ang ganda niya, ang colorful niya. Ang pinili ko kasi is Outer Space Astronaut. See? That one. It took me 1 month ahead of time ko ginawa, pinag-isipan to. Para hindi naman ako magahol sa mga iba kong gawain sa bahay. So, every time I get a chance lang, tsaka ako dinadecorate pa isa-isa. So, until mga 1 week before his birthday, gawa na siya, na-accomplish ko na siya. So, right now, I'm gonna teach you how I did it. First, I checked and searched sa Pinterest kung ano yung mga itsura ng mga astronaut team birthday team nila. So, doon ako nakakuha ng mga idea on what to do. But yun nga, hindi ko siya tinarpaulin kasi ang tarpaulin usually depende pa sa size, more or less mga 5 to 1,000 depende sa sizes, di ba? So, hindi naman sa nagtitipid ako, kaya lang ayokong magpagawa. Mas gusto ko yung personalized. So, ako gumagawa ng lettering, stars, I cut it out, and the planets. Ayun. So, I'll teach you how. First, so, gumawa ko ng idea. I was thinking of, so, ayun. First, I thought of buying a blue fabric para ihang dito. So, nag-iisip ako, ano ba pwede kong gawing blue? Either blue, black, or gray color na fabric. But then, parang hindi masyadong okay. So, umanap pa ako ng mas alternative na bagay para maging backdraft. So, what I thought is, nagpunta ako sa isang bookstore dito sa amin, near, and then, I saw a felt paper. So, these are felt papers. I just hang it there. Ano ko kung ganong sukat. So, nagkasya siya. Bali, tatlong pad of felt paper. And then, there's another one here na medyo kalahati. So, dinikit ko lang siya lahat dyan. So, bali, 3 1/4 na felt paper. I hang it there. So, sinil ko lang siya. Medyo hindi naman siya kita. Nilagyan ko lang siya ng scotch tape. And then, what happened? What's next? After I put it up, I started yung lettering ng kanyang name. So, what I did also is I searched for font generator. I look for nice font. Hindi ko matandaan kung anong name ng font. So, yung easiest lang ang ginawa ko. Not really easiest. What I did is I copied the letters. Gumawa ko niya sa bond paper. So, kinopy ko siya, letter Z, letter R, and then I traced it into yung glittered paper. These are my glittered paper. I bought it from online also. So, I traced it, these letterings, I traced it to the yellow yellow glittered paper. Yan. Just like this. So after I cut it out, naglagay ako ng second layer for the letters to pop out. See? Just like this one, my daughter, ako din ang gumawa nun sa daughter ko. This is letter E. Nag-lettering ako ng malalaking letters according to sa kinopyahan kong font. And then, sa pink ko naman siya nilagay na cardboard paper, board paper, cardstock. There is the letter R, letter I, for N. That's Erin. So, ito yung last time kong birthday nung anak ko. And then, also this one is because she is 5 years old. I draw 5 also. Dinikit ko rin siya like this. This one 7 kasi yung anak ko. So, after that, yun nga, tinrace ko naman siya sa pink. This one is light pink. And this one is much darker pink na cardstock. So, after I cut it out, I paste it, I put it there. Nilagyan ko lang siya ng scotch tape at the back. And there you are. Pati yung kanyang numbers. And then, what I did was, I printed out shapes of stars. So, different shapes yan. Hinat out ko rin using the glittered felt Eba foam paper pala to. Glittered Eba foam. So, ayun. And then, there you have it. I pasted this one, also that one. And then, I bought a banner na nakalagay sa online. A happy birthday banner. Doon ko naman nakuha to. So, I did not print this out. Doon ko na lang siya kinuha. I pasted it here. And also this one. And then, I printed out mga planets. I printed planets also. I cut it into circle kung ano yung shape niya na according to the planets natin. So, there you are. And then, also this one, I made a yellow paper naman, a cardstock. And then, I put it a glittered parang sun rays. See? Yan. It's a sun rays. Ako din ang gumawa niyan. So, everything, I get it from searching online kung anong maganda. And then, I copied it lang. And then, I put it together. And there you are. A nice outer space theme. Diba? This one, oh my God. Sa YouTube din ako niya, nag-tutorial ako on how to make a rocket using a drawing. This is just a drawing and then I colored it lang. If you can see. This is a one long bond paper. I draw it lang. Like that. Isn't it nice? Personalized yan. And then, nung una, hindi pa ako nag-print out ng mga planets. What we did, my daughter and I painted this one. Maganda to. Hi. Maganda rin siya sa blue. Kaya lang yung mister ko medyo ayaw niya. These are what I do. This one is Neptune. This one is my Jupiter. We colored it with crayons. This is Earth. What else? What is this? A Saturn. That one is Mars, the red planet. And this one is Uranus. So, ito yung dapat namin kakabit. Kaya lang, since nakabili kami ng printer, pinrint out na lang namin yung mga planets. One more. This is Venus. Okay. And then, there you are. Tapos, what I did about sa cake naman, I'm gonna insert the picture of the cake. I bought na lang cake topper. para makatipid din. Kasi kapag personalized talaga, ang nagre-range ng 1,500 to 2,000 yung mga customized cake. But at least I bought na lang from a leading bake shop. Doon na lang ako bumili, and then I put cake toppers. Happy birthday, Astronaut. And then, I bought lang this one. The candle top. Para mag-glow. This one is sparkly. Sparkler numbers. So, ayun. Maging maganda naman yung kinalabasan niya. I'm gonna insert the video and the overall look on the backdrop natin. The DIY backdrop. See? There you are. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, like, and hit the notification bell para ma-updated kayo sa aking mga videos. Yung mga tutorial ko, I hope you will like it. Thank you for watching, guys. This is Nina. Don't forget to subscribe, Minidrer Fernandez Family Vlog. Thank you, bye!